Today is celebrate namin yung very special day. Hindi lang, not just an ordinary birthday ni Sam, pero today kasi yung 7th birthday ni Sam, kaya sobrang special niya for us.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin.
Start of the year pa lang, nag-start na kami mag-prepare, mag-plan and everything. Tapos, during those times, nagkaroon lang ng challenge kasi may mga health issues, ganyan. Plus, actually, dapat nag-hesitate kami na kung isa-celebrate pa ba ng ganito ka-grand. Kasi yung mother niya actually pass away lang last year. Pero since very special talaga yung 7th birthday, ayaw naman namin palampasin na 7th is just lumagpas lang. So, I know she'll understand, pero yun yung isa sa mga naging challenges namin. We hope na yung during the planning moments namin, medyo, syempre, brainstorming, ganyan, then yung mga factors, then yun nga, nagkaroon kami ng mga health issues, pero yun, hopefully maging successful yung party today despite ng mga challenges namin.
Gold hair.
Yung mga nakatulong sa amin, siyempre yung pinsan ko, isa na doon sa Kay, na tumulong para makahanap ng mga suppliers. And then binigyan niya kami ng mga ideas, ano mga pwedeng gawin. Kila Miss Lou, doon for the catering. Kay Miss Jocelyn, for doon sa setup ng event. Si Miss Rochelle for the venue sa 8 Waves. And then kay Sir Herbert, for the video and photo. Kay Kuya Joseph, inintroduce niya sa amin si Carol and si JB para dun sa coordinator.
Si Sam, sa unang pagkakakita mo sa kanya, syempre normal naman sa isang bata, maging mahiyain. Then syempre kung kakilala mo kami pa lang, hindi pa si Sam, medyo maiisip mong baka mahiyain, ganyan. Pero eventually, si Sam kasi yung tipo na bata na basta makakita siya ng bata, she'll say hi, siya yung mauunang mambate. Kasi siguro lumaki siya during those 5 years before Lia na mag-isa lang talaga. Kaya every time na magkakaroon siya ng kalaro or mamimit someone, she's very open to build a friendship or build a relationship. Even sobrang simpleng kalaro lang niya for a few minutes, she'll be happy na rin like that.
Si Sam, sa bahay, sobrang kulit, minsan pasaway. Pero pagdating kasi sa school, super achiever siya. Kaya nga nasabi niya kanina, ang dami na niyang na-achieve. Kahit grade 1 pa lang, nanalo siya sa mga singing competitions sa school, and then sa mga theater play, napipili siya ng mga teachers niya to represent the whole grade 1 class.
I'd like to welcome our celebrant this afternoon. A round of applause for Samantha Louvel.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Usually we celebrated naman your birthday, pero sana ma-feel mo that this 7th birthday is extra special na pinipare namin ni Daddy for you. Despite ng lahat ng naging challenges natin, yung worries natin before this event, sana this day will make you really, really happy. Hindi man makarating yung mga previous classmates mo, which alam ko namang wini-wish mo talaga. But still, there are many friends and families na mag-celebrate with us. So, we hope na maging very special. And hanggang sa tumanda ka, sana isa to sa maging special memory na tumatak sa'yo as you grow old.
I got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more.
Happy birthday, Sam. Thank you for coming to our life. And then, I wish na maging masunurin ka na. And then, mag-aaral ka lang lagi ng mabuti. And then, sana in the future, makuha ka pa rin dun sa mga theater play mo. And then, kahit ano man yung ma-achieve mo, Mommy and Daddy and Leah are proud of you. We love you always.
A dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside?
Happy birthday, my baby Sam. Wish ko sana you grow healthy, strong, and smart. I love you, baby.
Lighter copper skin. We need to sing with all the voices of the mountain.
Happy birthday, Sam. Ang laki mo na bigla. Parang dati lang college ako, baby ka pa lang. I wish you na sana lahat ng gusto mo in life and kung ano man yung maging passion mo, magstay siya and maging successful ka in the future. If you need my help or kung ano man you need mo from ng Jay, I'm always here. Yan, happy birthday!
Hello Sam, happy 7th birthday to you. My only wish for you, Sam, is for you to be a God-fearing person, because if you're a God-fearing person, everything would follow. And may all of your wishes and desires in life may be fulfilled by God. Happy birthday, Sam. Hope you have a blast.
And then we laugh and talk all evening, which is totally bizarre. Nothing like the life I've led so far. 'Cause for the first time in forever, there'll be magic, there'll be
Ang wish lang namin lagi sa iyo ni Daddy is be kind always, and syempre yung always listen to Mommy and Daddy and to Mama and to everyone syempre. Kasi di ba what we always say naman na kung ano yung makakabuti sa iyo. I know ngayon pag pinagsasabihan ka, hindi mo pa siya fully ma-understand. But in time, I know as you grow old, sana i-thank mo kami ni Daddy for guiding you. Kasi lahat naman ng ito is for you. We're doing our best to guide you para lumaki kang may mabuting puso. And syempre, we're doing our best para ibigay sa inyo lahat ni Leah to make you happy and for you to always be proud din sa amin. And just know lagi na we're always proud of you. For all your achievements, kahit hindi namin i-ask sa'yo, palagi mo kaming binibigyan ng something to be proud of. And always remember na we will always be proud. Whether may achievement ka or wala, having you and Leah is more than enough for us. Kaya, thank you for your presence. Thank you for coming into our life. You and Leah will always be our princess and the love of our life. We love you so much.
Under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting